Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete your chats in Messenger. Deleting your chats can help you clear up space and keep your conversations organized and private. So let's get started on how to delete chats in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your device. In the chat section, find the chat that you want to delete. Once you find the chat that you want to delete, tap and hold on the chat until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on the delete option. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you really want to delete this chat. Finally, tap on the delete option again and delete the chat. And this is how you can delete your chats in Messenger. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.